Welcome to Tech It Simple, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Telegram Service Part 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Telegram user by sending or sharing your QR code. For that, you need to open your Telegram app. On the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, tap on your profile, and you will be taken to this space where you can see a QR symbol at the top of the screen. Tap on it, and it will show your QR code. So, this is your QR code. Below, you can see the Share QR Code option. If you tap on it, you will be able to share your QR code with the person. Click on any social media you want to send it to. This is how you do it. In the next video, I will show you how to scan a Telegram QR code. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.